Morning, Calgary. It's Thursday morning. Autobody Brokers here. We've got the 2008 GMC. They're just, they fixed a big dent that was in there. We did that for free, and all the rest is being sanded down. And we're gonna finish this truck today. Use Autobody Brokers. We'll take care of you. Thank you. Bye. Autobody Brokers. Here's the Sierra GMC. It's all painted. We're just sitting and waiting for it to dry. Bottom's done. I'm gonna walk back here. That tailgate is done. And here is the side. All painted. Just waiting for it to be dry. And then we also fixed the front bumper. It shit looks brand spanking new. Use Autobody Brokers, guys. We'll take care of you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.